Going to North Fork, meeting up with Trevor, Jacob, my mom and my sister. We're all going to carpool out there. It's going to be sweet. My sister and my mom have never been there before, so I'm going to show them how we do. Every summer day in high school we went to Salmon Falls, which is where we're going today. There's just a lot of memories. Going to North Fork with your mom. Pretty sweet. That looks so funny. Lost my GoPro at North Fork, Salmon Falls, so if you find it, it's all yours. Just want the SD card back. Thank you. I'm heading back to North Fork right now. I'm gonna go find my GoPro. Stay tuned.